Hi everybody and welcome back, and today we will be discussing about how to customize your Shopify store design. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So you can see my store is in front of you. It is basically an online gaming store with gaming products, and I want to change its design. So we are going to be doing that. Let's just go back to our admin panel first. Now we can see from your admin panel we need to head over to our online store from the bottom and click on that and head over to your themes section. So once you are on your themes, you can change your theme using this particular option. You can click on this preview and then you will be directed towards your theme preview, but we are going to be clicking on this customize. Now you can see we are inside our store editing section. So from here we can change the colors. You can see we have the color theme if you want to change that. We also can change all of these sections. So these are basically called as the header. On the top, if you want to make it say something else, we can change the text in here, and we can also add a link so it is clickable. Now if you want to change, like for example, this type of sections or add another section in here, so let's just say under announcement bar or under this particular section, which is the header, I want to add something more. So let's just say I want to add in here, you can say like some kind of reviews or products. Let's, like for example, if I add in here, search in here for products, then in the basically if you click on this add section or add a block, we have currently no blocks added in here. You can do that as well. So you can also change your logo. You can see we have different type of colors, we have typography, layouts, and everything is editable. So that's how you will be able to customize your store design, and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.